Hi, I'm Alba. Hi, I'm Haley.
Hello, I'm Adrian.
My name is Yi.
Hi, I'm Marta.
Hi, my name is Lane.
Hi, my name is Nicholas.
I'm Morteza.
And today in the SPIE conference for students, I learned that a good leader is not a dictator.
Today I learned the importance of posture and standing properly when giving a talk and exhuming confidence. You shouldn't ask what two people can do for you. You should ask what you can do for you.
Today I learned no reproaching, so no saying you should not have.
What I learned that really impressed me was the 4H. So Halo, head, heart, and hand in terms of persuading people and communicate effectively.
I should not judge the students when they express themselves.
Not everyone is born to be a leader, but you can learn to be effectively communicating and be able to utilize everyone's strongest strengths.
Today I learned how to shut up and listen to the